Did your previous project fail to meet quality expectations? Watch this video to enhance your project quality management skills. You will gain hands-on experience and the ability to manage quality through the execution of processes and establish a dedicated quality team. If you want to raise the bar and make quality a critical component of your project's success, download this presentation now. Project quality management starts with assigning quality standards to your tasks in line with best industry practices. It also entails drawing up a Gantt chart to track the progress of every stage. The implementation phase also includes conducting a quality assurance drill to eliminate potential bugs or defects. You must create a chart like this to determine initiatives that you need to take to ensure top-grade quality. Get creative and make your presentation compelling and informative using this pre-designed template for showcasing quality as your USP. Up next is quality control. Here, the objective is to ensure that the processes outlined in the QA strategy are executed. QC evaluates the high grade of the final product with its mastery over creating and maintaining a QA and QC log. Using a quality control checklist is essential to verify that critical components have been tested and reviewed, reducing the likelihood of missing key details. As the development phase ends, what follows is testing. The objective is not just to detect any issues but also to guarantee that any detected defects are thoroughly remedied. The time for action is now, so move toward excellence today. Get access to this well-researched presentation for great assistance. And yes, don't forget to develop a dashboard to get real-time, consolidated views of key quality metrics and performance indicators. This allows you to assess the project's health and identify and address quality-related issues. You'll be glad to know that this PowerPoint presentation includes some additional slides on checklists, dashboards, reports, roadmaps, and graphs with graphics that guarantee progress. If you want to be a leader in the new era of quality-driven projects, invest in project quality management, and realize the full potential of your projects. Start this fabulous journey with a download of this PowerPoint presentation.